Come on, come on, come on, come on. Right here, right here, right here. Grab your little ladder. A little bit of rework happening here. We were gonna go and roll with 3/8 rebar for our handrail. Our handrail is gonna be horizontal, not vertical on this build. And we threw some 3/8 across there, but it was a little bendy. So ran to the store. We upgraded to 5/8 rebar. Malachi's over there cutting those to length right now. I've already drilled all my 2x4 brackets that go on the side with 3/8 holes. So now I'm upgrading to 5/8 holes so that we can get the new rebar in it. So I'm gonna roll through this, get all these new holes widened, and then Malachi is gonna, you might be able to hear that, I don't know. He's over there cutting rebar right now. There it goes. The knee braces go in the corner of the post. So you have a post, and then you have the header, and it's that little corner bracket. Some people call them crow's feet, but it's called a knee brace. I cut them at 36 inches because I like them to be a little bit higher. So the length is going to only be 36 inches, 3 foot. And then we put a 45 degree cut on the end. That allows it to butt right up against the post and then be at that angle. So some people do them bigger than that. I just don't like to go much bigger than 3 feet. The longer they are, the lower they're gonna get. Otherwise they're sticking out the top of your structure. So I find that 3 feet kind of looks the best.